I woke up in the middle of the night. And I wondered how you're always right.
Go to your left a little. So, how was that? Going down the stairs?
Oh, going down the stairs. That was, you shouldn't do this alone.
Are you glad that I was here to help?
Oh, absolutely.
Okay,
Yeah.
I'm gonna go open the garage door now.
Thank you.
Still gets me. When I look back, I can see you're hiding, waiting for a moment to step in.
Yeah.
And I'll never
Actually,
understand how you saw
a little bit
it
more.
coming. Oh, but I will love
I
you.
really need to clean the garage up. I mean, more than I already have.
Oh, yeah, wow.
I know, right? I can't see you anymore. Hold on, I'm gonna.
Hold on. Wait, I'm just dropping it. Point. You want me to do it?
Yeah. Drop it. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Sorry.
It should simply be. And to keep this off the ground, I'm gonna do it.
Welcome back, dreamers. I'm Kira, and this is Homestead Dreaming. And you may be wondering, what are we doing? Well, the refrigerator that we had in this spot here decided that it didn't want to be as reliable as we wanted it to be. So we got a new fridge. It's too big for the spot. So we ended up putting it in a different part of the kitchen. And this area is going to end up being an extension of our pantry and our seed starting station. We are going to put some metal racks and grow lights and a blackout curtain and just go to town. We're gonna put these mirrors, sorry. So we're gonna put these mirrors up against the back corners to reflect.
Surprise!
We're gonna put these mirrors in the back corner to reflect the light from the grow lights back towards the seedlings. I
have one too many coffee.
You had one too many cups of coffee?
Mm-hmm.
I do that a lot.
You may continue.
Okay, so we're gonna put these in the back corners of this grow area, if you will, and it'll help the grow lights to, the light to bounce off of the mirrors and reflect back onto the lights, onto the seedlings some more. See, he got me all distractimated. Yeah.
Now at home, you may want to take the sticker off the mirror first. As we just noticed it. Yes.
Oh, it's upside down.
And it's upside down.
Come here.
It's not like there's bad luck for breaking those.
Yeah, but it doesn't matter if it's upside down. You're still gonna look the same way either way.
You've never been to a carnival.
Four corner it.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, look, I can see myself.
Don't cough on the camera.
And all these are the clips that came with it. We just decided to take the extra cables off so we could hook it directly to the shelves. All right, and we've got where the power cord comes out the side, so everything will feed down to the power strip.
actually like that better because it gives it more stabilization, because when we had it on the cords that it came with, it kind of,
it would get a little wonky.
Yeah, it would get wonky. It would wonk.
Whereas this is okay.
So we actually only have 5 of these lights, and we're going to get more for the different levels as the seedlings grow. But for now, since it's so early in the season, we're just gonna set it up with what we have and go from there.
Nice little fairway to go up too.
This one's a
And
little
I
bit-
didn't want to say it, but when you're doing it one-handed,
Oh yeah, I guess you're right.
When you're doing it one-handed, why don't you come over here and help me?
so you heard that, okay. That's what I was curious about. All right.
You want to demonstrate it?
Yeah.
I love that.
Close.
I love it. This calls for some skills, everybody.
All right, so there you have it. We have our wonderful seed starting station all set up and in action. We've got some seedlings already started, some kale, and I use the lid and some extra Tupperware to get it up to the height that I wanted it to, because at this stage they really need to be right on the lights. And there is cabbage. And the chard hasn't started yet, hasn't sprouted yet, but it'll get there. But as I start more seeds, this will fill up more and more, and I can't wait to show you. It's worked out so well so far, and I'm so pleased with how this turned out. So if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. Keep dreaming. Bye.